Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Princess Cinderella and dress them press without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the Princess Cinderella looks like, and I'm going to show you how I made this one. First of all, for the hairstyle, you can choose this one, and also this one, and then you're going to color it with this color. Okay, and then put on this item, make it blue, and put on this necklace, make it white and blue, and this necklace, make it black, and this corset, make it this blue color. Okay, and then you're going to make it glitter. Then put on this one, make it all blue, and again make it glitter. And then you're going to put on this earring, make it this light blue. Okay, and the next one, go to this area and put on the sleeves, and for the color you're going to make it blue and make it glitter. Oops, for the blue color I'm going to change it guys. I'm going to change it to this color. Okay, this is for the coat. And then I'm going to put on this heel, this one, and we're going to make it blue. Okay, wait, oops, sorry, this blue color for the first selection and also the second selection. And then the next one, I'm going to put on this gloves. I'm going to remove the fur and I'm going to make it this color, and then we're going to make it glitter. And I'm going to go to the dressing room. Then we're going to go to the currency item and put on this skirt and make it blue. Yeah, you can combine the dark blue and light blue. Not dark actually, but darker, I mean. And then you're going to make it glitter for all the selection. Okay, done. And then go to the world culture update item and put on this skirt, make it glitter and make it blue. Okay, and then I'm going to put on this skirt as well. Wait guys, I'm still looking for the skirt. Okay, this one, and then make it blue, make it only skirt, and you're going to make it glitter, and then combine it with the skirt, make it blue, and then make it glitter. Okay, change the material to glitter. Okay, now it's done guys, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.